Whether you are looking for your first bean-bag chair or a replacement for the one you currently have, I've got you covered. There are many products available to choose bean-bag chairs, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bean-bag chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SofaSec Plush Ultra Soft Bean-Bag Chair. If you're looking for a bean-bag chair that won't break the bank, Big Joe's Milano Bean-Bag Chair is a wonderful option. Even though its price sits at just under $55, this chair does not skip out on quality. It's made with double stitching and contains 2 zippers. Furthermore, its fabric is plush to the touch and will keep you and your skin happy regardless of how long you choose to stay seated. Make sure to note that this chair is unable to be machine washed. Number 2. Big Joe Milano Beanbag Chair Mint Plush. If an oversized beanbag chair is what you seek, the Yogibo Max may be just what you're looking for. With a height of 72 inches and a width of 42 inches, this EPS-filled beanbag chair can comfortably hold up to 4 people, making it great for hanging out and lounging around with friends. I like it when I have options to choose from, and this beanbag chair certainly meets the mark when it comes to color choices, as it's available in 17 colors, including lavender and flamingo. Plus, you won't have to dread washing this 19-pound chair, as its cover can be easily removed and placed in a washing machine for an easy cleaning experience. Number 3. Yogibo Max 6-Foot Beanbag Chair. Once your kid gets their hands on the Anywhere beanbag from Pottery Barn Kids, they won't want to go back to any other. This is one of the best beanbag chairs for kids. Although I don't have kids, I do know that the kids in my life are always excited when their name is written on their belongings. With that being said, you can add a name or monogram up to 9 characters to the chair for an extra personal touch. In addition to its personalization features, this beanbag chair is filled with 30% recycled polystyrene beads and is covered with cotton twill. Whether they want to read a book on a comfortable chair or use it when watching some TV, they'll have just the right amount of space with its 31-inch diameter. Number 4. Jack's 6-Foot Cocoon Large Beanbag Chair for Adults. As a Florida resident, I am always looking for outdoor furniture that I can use to comfortably soak in some sun. This umbrella outdoor beanbag chair from West Elm is a viable option as it is made with canvas fabric and is resistant to both water and stains. If a light rainstorm does happen to head your way while relaxing, you can rest assured that your chair will dry quickly. Since this chair was designed with the outdoors in mind, it can be easily cleaned, too. With some cleaning solution spray, soap, and water, you can say goodbye to those trips to the washing machine. Number 5. Corduroy's Faux Fur Beanbag Chair. To create our list of the best beanbag chairs, we conducted online research across several brands specializing in furniture and beanbag chairs to find the best ones by way of customer reviews and product information. Although Moon Pods and beanbag chairs share many similarities, they differ when it comes to their filling, as Moon Pods are made with dense EPS beads, which provide users with a zero-gravity or floating feeling. The supportive shape is closer to the experience of an ergonomic office chair rather than a beanbag chair you'd lounge on. Beanbag chairs can be purchased both in person and through online retailers, some of which include Amazon, Pottery Barn, Bed Bath & Beyond, and West Elm, in addition to several others. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.